Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are planning on making a simple organizer from the materials available easily in every household. Creating useful and decorative items out of waste available at home instead of throwing them is the best use for them. Lots of waste are generated at each home on a daily basis, creating something new from the old. That is, recycling and upcycling are the best ways to encourage ourselves and our children, and also we can reduce the screen time. With the DIY items made from waste, we can decorate our home too. In our channel, we are mainly focusing on such art and craft ideas, as you all know. For more such useful ideas on how to put the waste materials into use, do visit our channel, and if you find videos useful, please do support by subscribing. suggestions in the comment box. Hope you all enjoyed this video. We'll come soon with another useful video. Till then, bye bye.